Hello. In this video, I want to teach you how to register on the FXTrading Broker through the TradingFinder website. After entering the TradingFinder site, you select Forex brokers and then choose FX Trading, and then click on Go to Website. Then you enter the FX Trading website. In this section, you click on Start Trading, and you enter your first name, last name, email address, and your mobile phone number in the registration section. And then you enter your desired password, which we recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. And if you have a promo code, you enter it in the round field. And if you have a promo code from our support, you can receive assistance. And then you confirm the website's terms. And click the Submit option. After submitting, you will log into your account. And your account will be created. Goodbye.